Hello children, welcome to our BBL class. In our last poem, Garmi Ka Jadoo, we have learnt about the summer season. Then after summer season, rainy season comes. Rainy season comes at the end of the summer. It begins in the June and goes on till September. It brings reliefs to men, animals, birds, plants and trees after the hot time. Let's start our new lesson. Enjoy yourself. It's raining. In today's session, children, first of all, we will do the reading of this lesson. Then afterwards, while reading, you have to do the underline of the new word. Then afterwards, I will give you the meaning of the new word. Let's start the reading. It was a holiday and the clock struck 9. Struck means hit. Ali and Alia were still sleeping. Get up both of you, freshen up and come for breakfast. I have prepared something special for you, said their mother. Both of them got ready and the whole family gathered, underline this new word, gathered, at the dining table for breakfast. The table was set with mouth-watering dishes. Mouth-watering dishes means which smells or looks very, very delicious. Halwa, you can underline this also. Halwa, pakoras, hot chocolate milk for children and tea for elders. While eating, Ali asked his mother, "What is so special today? Why have you made pakoras and halwa?" His mother replied, "It is raining outside. I prepared all this food so that we could enjoy the rain. I wish it rained throughout the year," said Ali. At this, everybody started laughing. What do you eat when it is raining? After having breakfast, Ali wanted to play with his friends. As soon as he opened the door and stepped out, a spray of rain fell on him. He got annoyed and said, underline this word, annoyed, and said, "I just hate rain. It does not allow me to go out and play." His father, after listening to him, said, "You should not say that. Do you know how important water is for everybody?" Yes, water is important, but it should not rain all day. I want to go out to play with my friends, said Ali angrily and went out. He called his friends, but only Rohan came out to play with him. The street was waterlogged. Underline this, waterlogged. They played in the water for a few minutes. Soon they started feeling cold, so they went back to their houses. What happens when you get wet in the rain? What do you do after you get wet in the rain? As soon as Ali entered his house, achoo, he sneezed. His father asked him to immediately take a bath with clean, warm water. Underline this new word, immediately. Change his clothes and dry his hairs. After Ali dried himself properly, his father gave him hot soup to drink. Then Ali and Alia started playing Ludo. "Come out quickly and see what is there in the sky. It will vanish in a few minutes." Underline this new word, vanish. It will vanish in a few minutes, called out their mother. What? What will vanish? What is it, Mom? Asked Alia as she ran outside. The very next moment, her expressions changed. Underline this new word, expressions. She exclaimed, Underline this exclaimed. Wow! And went running inside to call Ali. Come and see before it vanishes. It is so beautiful, said Alia to Ali. What is it? Said Ali, slowly walking towards the balcony. Wow, there are so many colors. It is a big rainbow. Yes, so many colors in the rainbow, said Alia. How many colors can you count in the rainbow, Ali? Asked Alia. All tried to count the colors. Do you know how many colors a rainbow has? There are 7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, said their mother. How can I remember the names of these colors, Mom? Underline this new word, remember. Asked Alia. It's very simple. Just remember the word Vibgyor. She replied. What is Vibgyor? Asked Alia. Vibgyor. Vibgyor. Do you know the meaning of the Vibgyor? Initials of the rainbow colors are represented. Underline this new word, represented, by each letter of Vibgyor, such as V means violet, I means indigo, and so on. It tells us the names of the colors and their order in a rainbow, replied their mother. That's so easy, echoed Alia and Ali. Echoed Ali and Alia. Underline this echoed. They stood there looking at the beautiful rainbow in the sky till it vanished. New word of this lesson: gathered, get together, waterlogged, full of water, annoyed, feeling slightly angry or impatient, vanish, disappear, remember, think of, recall, replied, answer or respond, represented, act or speak for someone, exclaimed, shout or call, immediately, instantly or now. Write these new words in your PBL notebook and learn it. Okay children, we will meet in our next session. Till that time, have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you.